Owning an Aston Martin is about pride, craftsmanship and heritage. Servicing it should be no different. We are the UK's largest independent Aston Martin specialist, known UK-wide and abroad for our expertise in the purchase, sale and servicing of Aston Martin. Based next to the Aston Martin factory at Gaydon, we've built our reputation on being thorough. Our service centre is equipped with the latest Aston Martin diagnostic system, the same technology used by the factory. It allows us to install software updates, run diagnostics and service modern models such as the DB11, DBX, DBS and Vantage 4 litre, exactly as the manufacturer had intended. This equipment, paired with over 20 years of hands-on experience, ensures precision at every stage. Our technicians are factory trained and have worked within both the Aston Martin dealer network and the factory itself. We maintain over 700 Aston Martins each year using only genuine Aston Martin parts, all supplied with a 12-month warranty. From routine servicing to full engine rebuilds, every car receives the same care and attention to detail.